Hello everyone, welcome to the final question on while loop worksheet 2, where we're going to be given two positive integers greater than 1, which are a and b, and we're going to write a program that prints all the factors that both numbers share. So for example, if a was 10 and b was 24, we share the factors of 1 and 2. This is the factor sharing program. At this right here, I want you to write the author name and the date that you worked on it. Let's grab our input. So we're going to get num a, that's going to be int input, enter a number. B, we're also going to enter another number. Awesome. Let's start our processing section here. Basically, we want to set up our while loop so that we go up to the smallest number. That's going to be our endpoint. So we're going to say start is equal to 1. Actually, let's call that a divider. We're going to be consistently dividing our numbers. And our upper limit is going to be the minimum of num a and num b, because we can't go anything higher. All right, now we can set up a while loop. We're going to say while our divider is less than equal to our upper limit that we set. And we're going to make sure that we increase the divider by 1 on every iteration here. Awesome. Now we're going to write a conditional check if num a modulus divider equals 0 and num b's modulus divider also equals 0. So they both create a remainder of 0 when divided by our variable divider. We're going to print that num a, num b. Let's write it and here. Num b share the factor of divider. And that's going to be our end of our while loop. All right, let's test our code. Let's test the given values. Oh, I added a accidental colon there. We're going to test it with 10, 24. So 10 and 24 shares a factor of 1, and 10 and 24 share the factors of 2. All right, so this is a basic program. We got to use a min function, and we got to revisit the factoring problem by adding an extra complexity on it. Thank you for watching. Stay classy.